Well, this is a sewing dilemma, and it certainly is a sewing faux pas. And I am going to admit it's probably not the first time, and I know it won't be the last time that I've done this. So, this is a dress that I was making for myself. And, there are sewists out there who can make something in a couple of hours, when they say, make a dress in 2 hours. Personally, I can't. I don't know who does. I applaud them, but I can't. And this is proof positive that I can't, because then I make silly mistakes. And here it is. Put the lining on the bodice of the dress, and I went to try it on, and I thought, what the heck is that? You can't see this, but there is a pin inside there, and it's sewn inside the lining, which means I have to pick out a piece of it to get that out. So if this happens to you, don't panic. Just unpick a few threads and try to squeeze out that pin. The only good thing I can say is at least this was on one of my garments and not something that I had sent back to a client or a customer. Can you imagine? They would have put it on and went, what the heck is that stabbing me? Yeah, sorry, I left a pin in it. So it can happen. It does happen. But hopefully you catch it before you kind of put it on and happen to go out somewhere. So can I get it out? Anyway, here it is. That little guy was causing a lot of problems. So now I'll go back and I'll fix that little spot. And maybe you come back with me when I try it on, and we'll see what it looks like and see where we are. Okay? Thanks. Okay, fitting number one. It's sort of working. It's not exactly what I had in mind, but it is a casual dress with sparkly fabric. So definitely the sleeves are too long, so I'm going to be pinning that up. The whole dress, if you can see in the mirror, it's way too long. I'll be taking that up. Then part of the challenge, of course, is trying to fit something yourself. So, it's a hit and miss a little bit. Pin, unpin, try it on again. So anyway, this is part one. I'll make the adjustments and we'll come back and try it on and see what you think. But again, don't get discouraged. This is part of the process. And if you're doing this for yourself, have fun with it. Keep enjoying it and keep trying. So we'll come back in a minute and see what it looks like. Okay, so we're done. I'm going to try it on and show you. But here's the finished product. And here is the pattern, Vogue 8806. So it does look like the pattern. I did not include a hood. I'm just not a hood person, but it is really what it is just a really plain, simple dress, I suppose. It'd be great in the winter in the long version, maybe with some boots or some tights underneath it. But I was looking for a casual dress. I had this sparkly material around the house and I'd used it for another project. So this is it. I did change the zipper. I didn't really like the way the other zipper sat. So I put in an invisible zipper. But in honesty, if that zipper was at the back, I would have left it. But seeing that it was at the front, I kind of wanted to polish it up a bit. But other than that, there is nothing really fancy. This is something that anyone can do. I encourage you to try something for yourself. It's so satisfying making something for yourself that you can customize. You can make it out of the fabric you like. You can add pockets if you like. You can whatever. So stay with me as we make other projects. And if you have any questions or you have any other ideas, reach out to me. I'd love to be able to work with you or make some other things. Here it is on, just a real easy semi-fitted dress, nothing special except for the fabric. But hey, I'll wear this out to lunch with the girls. Heck, I'll even wear it grocery shopping.